think actually going up here is a bit of a famous spot. Here you have all this really cozy lighting in the background, but you can see the sun is setting. You have all the orange and the yellow and kind of the blue from the sky. Found some interesting snacks here. Bugs. I think I will skip that. Yeah, not for me. Let's have some other type of meat. Yeah, it's a pretty crazy piece of meat. Let's try it. It's braised. Very chewy. Let's see. Definitely looking very nice and tasty with the sauce here. Wow, now getting the hot pot here. That is looking fantastic. Nice. We got some of the sauces here for the hot pot. Let's mix it. Nice. Now we're getting the meat here. Ooh, we're getting the vegetables here. That is looking crazy nice. Wow, that's the tofu. That is looking amazing. Let's try to dip it in the sauce. Have a lot of good garlic and stuff here. Let's try the whole thing.
Always
Oh,
to make this.
that was very hot, yeah. And we have some crazy nice looking tofu here. Hot tofu, fantastic. This one was actually really nice when you eat it together with a mint here. Super nice. Take a look at that. Cheers. Okay, so welcome to the video in Lijiang here in Yunnan province in southern parts of China. Last time I was in Guilin in Jiangsu, but now I've been in Beijing for a few weeks and now I'm out traveling. It's really beautiful and you can see in the background, just arrived here. It took like 3.5 hours to fly and it's 1 p.m. I only had some really bad airplane food, so I'm really looking forward to trying some local food. But it's really nice, relaxing here in the background. It's gonna be a lot more beautiful in the evening, I think. But I'm just gonna take a walk here, explore a bit the alleys, and I'm gonna have some meetings here for a few hours, and I'll be out for dinner again when my friends arrive. Actually, around 9 p.m. It's gonna be some good food, I'm sure. So yes, gonna walk around a little bit. See you there. Hello. Yes, people everywhere. I always just love to explore these local places here. These nice buildings with the old streets here and the small kind of corner stores here, kind of breakfast and local lunch. I want to find some yak meat. That's what they're famous for here, and also the special noodles, but I think I will save that for later. See if we can find something around here. So unfortunately I couldn't find any yak meat, but I'm sure we're going to find a lot of more of that later in the trip. So I find all this other stuff instead. Get recommended to try this beef here, braised, and I'm going to have some nice potatoes inside, I think. So let's see. I'm sure I will not be disappointed. Ooh, wow, get the food already. Ooh, fantastic. Okay, so they were very fast at giving me the food, and this is looking totally incredible, as you obviously can see here. It's only me here, so that's always a good thing when you're getting that food fast. Wow, that looks like a good recommendation. Let's try it, and I'm gonna wait for the vegetables first. Ooh, and here we get the vegetables. Nice. Cucumber, just here. Or actually, I don't think it's a cucumber, it's kind of local vegetable, I guess. I think I tried it actually last time when I was here. I've been in Lijiang before, but that is looking great now. Just waiting for the cold cucumbers, but I'm gonna try this very soon. This looks amazing. Nice, and now we have cucumbers. Ooh, also with some fried garlic. Okay, I thought it was gonna be only vegetable, but that is looking great. Fantastic, let's try it. Okay, so finally we got all the amazing food. As you can see, we get the cucumbers with some chili and spices here. We have this amazing beef here with potatoes, and we also have some local vegetables. So let's try it in. You guys know I love meat, so I'm definitely gonna begin with this one. Let's see if you can see here. Yeah, it's a pretty crazy piece of meat. Let's try it, it's braised. Very chewy. Let's have another bite here. Some very nice brown sauce here. Oh, definitely some spices. Let's see, definitely looking very nice and tasty with the sauce here. Definitely has a bit of a mushroom flavor to it, and I think I know why, because there are mushrooms here. Maybe some ginger. Ginger, definitely, very, very nice. Then we have some potatoes. I have a lot of potatoes in the kitchen here, super nice. Yeah, so the Yunnan food is famous actually for yak meat, but also used a lot of potatoes, as I mentioned. So I think it's a Really nice combo, sort of meat and potatoes. Like an amazing combo like this. Okay, let's try the cucumber. Looking very spicy. Yeah, I thought I would only get kind of the cold cucumbers with some garlic, but there's some spices to it. Let's try. Very nice. Not too oily. Yeah, I generally try to avoid too much oil here, but in China they like to cook with a lot of oil. Tastes good. Not so healthy, but let's take a look at this. Also some really incredible local vegetables here. Let's try it. Really like all these local flavors. You drink with some nice red tea here. Fantastic, yeah. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a bite here of the cucumber. So nice with this spice and a bit of oil and chili. Yeah, just one bite here of the beef and potato. That's amazing. I'm gonna take my time and really enjoy this first meal here and start on my vacation feeling really fantastic. I'm gonna have some meetings now for work, but then my friends are coming in a few hours. Gonna have some dinner, so we'll see. Hopefully I see you around then. So take a short break and see you very soon. Okay, so welcome to the evening. It's been like 4 hours now. I was working a bit before, but it's actually much more beautiful here in the evening now. You have the lights are setting and you see all the flags coming out. It's the upcoming October holiday here with Chinese National Day on the 1st of October actually. So in 2 days, but it's very nice here when the sun is starting to set. I'm gonna see if I can get some nice drone shots when the sun is setting before it gets too dark. Then my friends are arriving in like 2 hours. We're gonna have some nice dinner. So now I'm just gonna take a bit of a stroll. And I think you can see a bit on the hill up there actually. The background, maybe I can show a bit clear later. Where I actually stayed last time, you see out of the whole village. Maybe I'll show that a bit later if I can find it before it gets too dark. So I'm gonna walk around and see you very soon. Definitely getting to a bit of a coaster place down here. The lighting is coming on. We have a lot of busy stuff going on in the background here and a lot of people on the street. I think we're living in a bit of the outskirts of the old city. Here you have a lot of cool stuff in the background. You have all these like old stores here. You can stroll around, check out some jewelry. Of course, have some very nice restaurants here. So maybe we'll sit down here a bit later. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for the others to just walk around and explore. Really cool area. So now I actually think I got to one of the main attractions area, like the big square here. I recall I was actually here in August last year, and then actually stayed up on the hill above here, and then I walked down here. There's this famous clock tower here, so I'm gonna see if I can maybe fly my drone here before it gets too dark. Yeah, it's actually someone else already flying it there, so let's see if we can have a break here, get some shots, and I'll see you after. Okay, so the sun is set now. I got some nice clips actually with the drone flying over here, and it definitely turned into kind of a party place here. There's a lot of pretty lights in the background, that is for sure. You have some pretty cool background here walking around. You can overlook this small little stream here in the background, and then you have all these golden lights, lanterns, and you have the clock tower here. So I'm gonna walk up actually on this hill here, get some nice views, hopefully looking out a little bit before it gets too dark. Then I have to go back and pick up my friends. Yeah, I think actually going up here is a bit of a famous spot here. You have all this really cozy lighting in the background. It was raining a little bit, so you have a lot of umbrellas here, but you can see the sun is setting. You have all the orange and the yellow and kind of the blue from the sky. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna take some photos here as well, I think. Just enjoy looking at all these local small stores selling like silver, jewelry, a lot of cool stuff. A lot of food, of course, but I'll say that to you a little bit later. I think actually last year, my last meal was in this place here. Was having some nice yak hot pot, if I'm not remembering correctly. A lot of cozy small alleys here. So like fruits, a lot of cool stuff. I'm gonna go up here, see if I can maybe have a coffee or something and just get the view over the place. We'll see. Probably have to buy something to get access, but no problem. Really nice here. You have a bit of the turn here, the walk. You going down here, you have all these cool lights in the background. I think I'm gonna go in here and see what they have. I think it's a bit of a pet cafe here. You have like dogs and cats and stuff. Yeah, milk cafe. Fantastic. So we got some cafe, got some coffee. We have some amazing cozy views here. Wow, see the background, you can out over the whole city here. It's a fantastic spot. Let's sit down. Well, we have a cat here. Hello, good evening. How are you doing? Also want some coffee? Nice, hanging around here on the rooftop. Yeah, it's a good evening to explore, that's for sure. Fantastic, I think we have the coffee coming out. Yeah. Ooh, yes, we got the coffee here. Really amazing. It's quite late actually. It's like 8 p.m. but I get up 3:45 this morning to catch the flight at 7. So yeah, it's been quite a long time. Then people are kind of coming, we're gonna have dinner, maybe go out, have some drinks, who knows. So a few more hours, need some energy. Tomorrow hiking, but a lot of steps. So I'm just gonna enjoy this very nice coffee and walk back, actually explore a bit. So yeah, see what happens later. Lots of interesting food here. Get some tofu in different shapes here. Ooh, a lot of steam. Here's pretty cool. Next to the water you can buy these kind of lanterns here and put on the river. I've seen it in a lot of different places here. Yeah, trying to buy one. Yeah, maybe another time, but it's very pretty. Just walking around all the streets, you have like snacks and stuff everywhere. A lot of things to try. A bit too many carbs for my taste. I'm gonna save myself for some meat. We'll see later. But it looks very tasty. I think we're at one of the main famous streets here. You can walk up and you have the water here. And actually last year, I think I was sitting down and having lunch just actually here. On this corner here. I was having my first meal, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe we'll come back later. Really nice here. My friends just arrived at the airport, so I'm just gonna walk back to the hotel now. Really nice here with the lighting, really pretty. A bit modern perhaps, but yeah, not complaining. Cozy, that's for sure. There's a lot of bars and music in the background. It's like competing all the places with each other. And hotpot seems to be very popular. I think it's Jakob hotpot. But I'm gonna walk up here, leave a bit the crazy area here, walk back to the hotel, then hopefully come back here within not too long time again. One is like flags everywhere here. Really nice. Definitely recommend it to walk around here if you come to Lingland. That is for sure. Wow, we got some cool local snacks here. What is it? Grab one. What is this? Ooh. Interesting stuff here. Yeah. Yeah. Now you're on the camera.
Oh, is it filming? I thought
Yes.
you wanted me to click it.
Of course. Yeah. We have the France journey here. Let's try it. That's like not that great. Very dry. Actually, not recommended. A bit sweet, but it's like eating like a whole manto. Waste of calories. Looking forward to the meat instead. Found some interesting snacks here. Bugs. I think I will skip that. Yeah, not for me. Let's have some other type of meat. Time for some beer. Nice live music here. Trying some beer. Gotta try the local one. Let's start the vacation. That was a good one. Cheers. Nice, we got the first batch of the veggies here. Let's try them. Wow, someone's having a fancy drink here, not just beer. Nice, now we're getting the meat here. That is looking interesting. Some cool veggies and some tofu and the jinjingu, the see you tomorrow mushrooms. Wow, now we're getting some cool stuff here. Meat. That is looking crazy nice. Wow, that's the tofu. That is looking amazing. Now we got all this amazing food. We're gonna try some beef. Yeah, look at this stuff here. That is amazing. Yak meat, definitely tastes a little bit different. Very nice. And we have some crazy nice looking tofu here. Try. Very spicy, hot tofu. Fantastic. It's gonna be so good, and we have the hot pot here. It's gonna be very, very nice dinner. This one was actually really nice when you eat it together with a mint here. Super nice. Take a look at that. Wow, now getting the hot pot here. That is looking fantastic. Nice. We got some of the sauce here for the hot pot. Let's mix it in. Get some soup here from the hot pot. So you have the meat first, and then you eat the soup. Nice. Ooh, get some meat there. Let's grab a piece here. Wow, that is looking amazing. Nice. Steaming hot. Let's try it. Let's try it. Hot. 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 That was very hot. Let's try to dip it in the sauce. Have a lot of good garlic and stuff here. Let's try the whole thing.
My grandma always
Oh,
still make this.
that was very hot. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit and enjoy it more. So see you soon. A bit of a lamb here. Let's try it. Very lamby flavor, that's for sure. I have some tofu here as well, but gonna mix it a bit with some nice stuff. We have these weird vegetables here. Let's try it. Doesn't taste much. They're probably healthy. But the lamb was really, really fantastic. Especially if you mix it here. All this good stuff here. It's amazing. Lamb breath is underrated. And then you have these crazy mushrooms as well. Really nice. Especially when I mix it with the sauce. Yeah, gonna see what's up next here and just enjoy this very, very nice dinner. Fantastic. The final dish here. Yeah. Bacon. Very nice. Okay, yeah, let's try the last dish. That is looking crazy good. Ooh, that's a mountain of great food here.
Oh, it's great.
It's like the pork one, really nice.
Oil.
Yeah. Oil and fat and pork. How can you not like it? Let's take a look at this. Insane. Very, very good. Maybe the best one. And I really like this, like
咬到
leek.
麻了是吧？
Fantastic. What a way to end the evening. Really nice dinner. Gonna take a walk after this, but really first nice
你不吃麻的
dinner
吗？
vacation. So yeah, see you later. Yes, as you clearly saw in that video, we had a lot of great food. It's always nice to share with friends. You can try a lot of cool dishes. So very, very nice first day here in Lijiang. But now it's time to go back and rest a bit. Tomorrow we're gonna go hiking. So I'm just gonna continue walking in this very nice alleys. Take a good rest. So if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.